if the polynomial, this particular expression and this particular expression leave the same remainder when divided by x minus 3, find the value of a. So till now we have not seen such a question. I hope I have not put, nothing to do with hope. Yeah, till now I have not recorded such a question. So if I have, then good for you. If not, this is a new question for you guys. Okay, coming back to the question. What is that we are looking at? We have two expressions. So let's call them as something. Let d of x be equal to, so I don't want to write z though. I'll just change the variable. I'll make it as x only, guys. X minus 3. Then v of x, the first expression is az cube plus 4z array. I just told I won't write z and I'm writing 4x square plus 3x minus 4. And u of x is equal to x cube minus 4x plus a. So this is all that you guys can write off, is it not? Anything wrong? Did I make any silly mistake? No. Okay, so the funda is this. They're telling, this is very important, they're telling that they leave the same remainder. So v of x when divided with d of x, right? The remainder obtained over here will be equal to that of the remainder obtained over there. So let me write it in a remainder of v of x when divided by d of x is equal to remainder of u of x divided by d of x. Agree? That's all it's given, nothing else. Just writing what is given. Understood? Agree? Okay. Now what should we use? Should we use factor theorem? No, we can't use factor theorem over here. We have to make use of remainder theorem. In ways we have to make use of remainder theorem. So what does remainder theorem tell? Well, if you have to figure out the remainder, find the 0 of the divisor, it being a linear equation, then equate it, so on and so forth. When you substitute it, you'll get the remainder of the process. So basically I have to make, I should go through the remainder theorem with both of this and equate the answer. Okay, let me show that. Hopefully you'll understand it better with this. So very first thing is we need to make use of remainder theorem. Right? What does the remainder theorem tell you guys to do? First find the 0 of d of x. Let's not think too much. Let's just go through the process. Let's find the 0 of d of x. So for that, we'll start off with let t be the 0 of d of x. So when I equate x is equal to t, I'll get an output of 0. Agree? So now you have t minus 3 is equal to 0 and we have plus 3 both the sides. So t is equal to 3. Right? So this value, when I substitute over here, I'll get an output of 0. That makes sense. Very clear. Now, I have to figure out the remainder of this process. So let's figure out the remainder when v of x is divided by d of x. Okay, how do you do that? All I have to do is substitute x is equal to 3, right? So this is as per or using remainder theorem. So that will give me the remainder. So this will be, where is it? A into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 minus 4. No confusion, right? So this is as per remainder theorem. Okay guys, now all I have to do is solve this. So this will be equal to 27a, agree? This is 936 plus 9 minus 4, is it not? So this is 541, so this is 27a plus 41. Yeah, okay. Now let's find the remainder of, we're just finding the remainder, don't think too much, the process of this. This again is using the remainder theorem itself, but we will not mention that, not required. So we have u of x when equated to 3. You have 3 cube minus 4 into 3, that is 12, plus a. This is 9 minus 12, minus 12, correct. No, 27 minus 12. 27 is 15 plus a. Agree, yes? I hope I didn't do any mistake. 27, okay, that's correct. Now, all this is okay. I mean, till here it's something that you guys are familiar with. The extra bit is this. If this and this leaves the same remainder, what does that mean? It means that the LHS over here is equal to RHS. Therefore, I can equate 1 and 2. Right? From 1 and 2, and I'll call this as A. Okay? So, from A, comma, equation 1 and equation 2. What is that we are looking at? I can equate this expression and this expression. 27a plus 41 is equal to 15 plus a. All I have to do is rearrange and stuff. So I'll transpose it over there and this over there. This is 26a and this is 41 minus 41 plus 15. So this is 14, 6, 26. Oh yeah, good. Minus 26 itself. I was afraid I will get some other number and fractions and stuff. If I got fraction, then I would have been a bit confused if I got the right answer or not. So 26, a is equal to minus 1. Okay guys, this is the extra funda. That's it. Okay. So all we are doing is, right, finding the reminders and equating them. That's all. Nothing fancy we are doing. Same process. Right, we are not equating into 0 because they are not a factor. X minus 3 is not a factor. Okay, it could be a factor. It's not that it should not be, but that information is not given. So we can't do that. We have to equate the remainder, work things out, and when you get an expression, solve for A. And that's what we did. Okay, right? So this is your answer.